Hey, if you want to create account on XTB in 2024 using your smartphone, first of all, you have to open the Play Store or App Store if you are using iOS devices. Go into the search and type XTB and go for the search. Now we have to get the XTB online training application and you have to install it. So for sure you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here we can follow this downloading process. After a few seconds, we will be able to open this application with this button right here. So now just wait and click open when it's finished. Next, we've got some notifications, so we have to actually accept all of them. And then swipe into the right side and read this short information and then click start. Now we are able to open the real account, open demo account or login. So for sure, in my case, I'm gonna open demo account. And from here, I have to provide my country. So it's actually correct, that's the Poland. From here, I have to input my email and I have to set the password. And as you can see, when we are creating the password, we have to get like one capital letter, one number character, minimum 8 characters and maximum 20 characters. So we have to remember about this when creating your password. And also when you click on this icon, you can actually see your password while creating, so it will be a little bit easier. Now let me just hide my phone for a few seconds because I'm gonna create my strong password. So I also recommend you to create a strong password. And in my case, as you can see, everything is correct. It turns green. So I just actually get for all of this 4 rules. Now I have to click just right here and right here to accept everything and tap to create demo account. Now you will have to wait for a few seconds. From here, you can also save your passwords if you are using the Android phone. And here we are, the account was created. And now from here, you can actually do something right here that you want. And that's it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.